Hello, my name is Anam and my group members are Muhammad Talha, Muhammad Athar and Charanjit Singh. Today the topic of our presentation is cloud delivery models and we will explain three main platforms: infrastructure as a service, software as a service, platform as a service in this presentation. Dropbox faced challenges with scalability and service availability due to its growing customer base. After analyzing infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, the company chose software as a service for its scalability and cost effectiveness. Transitioning to software as a service improve performance, reduce cost, and enhance customer satisfaction. Moving forward, enhancing software as a service capabilities is recommended to strengthen Dropbox's competitive edge. This was founded in 2007. Dropbox began as a consumer focused service and evolved into an enterprise solution provider. It offers advantages, features like Dropbox Paper, and integrates seamlessly with other applications. By 2022, Dropbox had over 700 million users, diverse sectors such as IT, education, and healthcare, solidifying its position in the cloud storage market. And in the background, Dropbox operates in a highly competitive market alongside Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. It faced three major challenges: competition from large players, scalability issues due to its growing user base, and high operational cost associated with AWS infrastructure. These challenges underscore the need for a strategic shift in its operational model. In the literature review, first we will discuss infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service provide business with computing infrastructure over the internet, minimizing hardware costs while allowing full control of the environment. Example include AWS, EC2 and Microsoft Azure, making it ideal for organization focused on infrastructure management.
Now move forward to literature review. Software as a service (SaaS) makes available to users and organizations finished software that can be used to perform tasks over the internet. Consumers use applications with no control over the physical environment or computing systems that support it. For instance, the use of Dropbox, Salesforce, and Google Workspace. According to research, SaaS stresses that it offers easy access, requires little initial capital, and makes updates easy to implement. Now move forward to key problems. Firstly, scalability. Since millions of clients upload big amounts of daily data, Dropbox dependence on the third-party infrastructure reduced its velocity and dependability. This was so because it influenced the availability of the company in meeting the needs of the customers. High costs. Running their systems on infrastructure such as AWS led to high costs associated with storage and data transfers, which cut into the profits and dependent innovative financing. Competitive pressure. Specifically, Dropbox has to pose a threat to the integrated cloud storages by Google and Microsoft at fair prices. Now move forward to challenges that are faced by Dropbox. Firstly, operational inefficiencies. Third-party dependency relied on AWS for storage and management, limiting control. Data transfer and latency. Increased user base led to slower data transfer and latency. Limited customization, outsourcing, limited ability to tailor storage solutions. Second one, cost overruns. High operating costs, expensive storage and data transfer via AWS. Profit margin erosion, rising costs affected profitability and innovation investments. Cost unpredictability, AWS pay-as-you-go model made costs more difficult. Third one, technical limitations, scalability challenges, infrastructure couldn't keep up with growing user demands, storage limitations, difficulty with redundancy and fast content research, data security outsourcing created compliance and security challenges across regions. And the fourth one, challenges in meeting customer demand. Performance expectations, customer expected high speed file transfers and synchronization. Evolving needs, business demanded integrated extensible and high uptime solutions. Competitive threats rival like Google Drive and OneDrive etc. had handled services at lower prices. Now move forward to discussion about the Dropbox decision to adopt SaaS, software as a service. Identifying SaaS as a solution, Dropbox faced challenges with third-party infrastructure and needed a scalable, efficient solution. SaaS aligned with Dropbox's core objective, providing cloud-based file storage and collaboration. The collaboration was made in 2020. SaaS improved business growth, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency without worrying about infrastructure. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Charanjit Singh. Now I am going to continue the presentation. As my friend Nawaz discussed that Dropbox identified SaaS as their cloud computing model. So now I am going to discuss about what were the grounds for this selection, and I will start with decision making processes involved. So they started with assessing the alternatives available to them. Firstly, they tried retaining third party infrastructures, but they were costly and had limited control. Then they thought of transitioning to IaaS, but that required heavy investments in server and network management. Then they thought of adopting to PaaS, but that was not suitable for Dropbox as Dropbox needed regular storage optimization. Then they also thought of adopting a hybrid model, but that was complicated and inefficient in addressing cost and operational issues. The decision making process engaged a range of internal and external stakeholders to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of the potential solution. Executive leadership, consisting of CEO and senior management, ensured that the purchase fit the organization's strategic plans and meet the planned financial outcomes. Engineering teams evaluated the technical feasibility of migrating to SaaS. Finance teams assessed the long-term return on investment of migrating to SaaS. Product management and customer experience teams provided insights on client benefits. Some other critical factors those influenced the decisions are discussed below. Firstly, cost efficiency. SaaS reduced infrastructure expenses as compared to third party providers. Scalability. It's easier to accommodate growing and dynamic user traffic in SaaS model. Control over infrastructure. This enabled Dropbox to optimize storage and add new features. It also improved its performance, data security, and compliance. SaaS allowed better control over security and compliance with international standards. Ease of integration. SaaS made it possible to extend the use of additional services like Dropbox Paper and third party applications, boosting the value of proposition to the service of businesses. When Dropbox finalized SaaS model to complete the transition of Dropbox to SaaS, vendor selection process was carried out. They thought of continuing with AWS, but the cost increase and control over the data led Dropbox to develop its own infrastructure. They also thought of other alternatives like Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure, but they were deemed non optimal. Finally, Dropbox decided to develop its own infrastructure called Magic Pocket for primary storage while still using third party services like CDNs for global data synchronization. Now, a brief idea about how this migration process was carried out. Step first, developing Magic Pocket. They collaborated with vendors for custom servers to support large scale storage, and data center setup. Step 2, gradual data migration. They transfer data from AWS to Magic Pocket in petabytes with continuous user access for gradual transfer. They prototyped it to ensure accuracy and reliability. They also perform live migration of data by transferring data in small portions and monitoring it by automated scripts. Step 3, integration with SaaS services. Dropbox tied all of its SaaS applications into its own storage backend and introduced new features like Dropbox Paper and integration of third party applications.
Hello, this is Talha. I will discuss the implementation of Dropbox transition to SaaS. First of all, it comes to the technical teams. Engineers developed Magic Pocket and were trained on the new strong architecture and monitoring tools through workshops. Then we will focus on the customer support. Support staff was trained uh, on the migration process to address customer concerns, emphasizing that the new system would be faster and more reliable. Then we will focus on the evaluation of implementation. So in evaluation, performance comes first. Magic Pocket improve latency and throughput, resulting in better overall performance. Then we will discuss about the cost efficiency. Moving away from AWS allowed Dropbox to save and reinvest in growth and innovation. Then scalability, proprietary infrastructure enabled Dropbox to scale operations to meet user demand. Then, and the last, the data security, controlling infrastructure made it easier to secure data and comply with international protection regulation. So, in the conclusion, the shift to Magic Pocket enhance Dropbox operation by reducing cost, improving performance, and enabling scalability. With better control over security and compliance, Dropbox strengthened its position in the competitive cloud storage marketing. So, in the last, we have some recommendations regarding transition Dropbox to SaaS. So, first of all, we will focus on enhanced data security. We will upgrade encryption and develop advanced threat analysis technologies to stay ahead of current security risk and meet data protection policies. To expand SaaS offering, we integrate AI features such as automatic file sorting, intelligent search, and more user interactions to meet business need and offer greater value to the customers. Then employee training programs will develop workshops to educate staff on new technologies, SaaS platform, and server infrastructure management. Then the last we focus on to explore the new markets, partner with business in untapped sectors and all regions to expand Dropbox reach and customize product for diverse client needs. So this was from me and my team on delivering models of Dropbox. Thank you so much.